The design is complete, the model is accurate, but releasing it, that's where the complexity begins. Multiple product structures, duplicate part numbers, unclear ownership, and teams working on different versions of the same data. What should be a simple release turns into delays, rework, and unnecessary risk. This problem affects everyone. Design engineers lose time, PLM users manage growing complexity, business leaders see schedules slip and costs rise. In fact, most organizations don't struggle with the design quality itself. They actually struggle with the engineering definition, aka the governance. With you today, I'm Alan Gardiner, Application Engineer from EGS India, Chennai. Without a single shared definition, reuse becomes difficult, errors reach manufacturing, collaboration slows down, and innovation gets buried under administration. This is exactly what Product Release Engineer is built to solve. It reduces engineering definition time by maximizing reuse of existing IP, simplifying product structures, assigning clear engineering responsibilities, enforcing corporate standards, and part numbering in a very early stage, all delivered through a modern, web-based, intuitive experience. The very first step in governance is visualizing your products. Everything starts with visibility. With Product Release Engineer, teams can view assemblies in 3D Play, navigate by categories, switch between a flat BOM view or intended BOM view based on their requirement, evaluate components geometry in web-based viewer itself, filter and search instantly inside the interface. Engineers validate faster, PLM users manages with confidence, leaders gain instant clarity. So next comes the management. Product Release Engineers allows teams to duplicate, reuse, or exclude existing engineering definitions, create and track issues when requirements change, organize the only required content, initiate the change actions when required, and assigns tasks to the right engineers every time when a change is required. Every change is structured, visible, and traceable without slowing teams down. So the next big step is execution. Under change action, teams can perform design updates, review and validate changes, approve and complete actions with no version confusion, no uncontrolled edits, no hidden work, just a clean, governed execution flow that works at engineering speed. So once validated, the next big thing is to release your actual engineering definition to the right people at the right time. Engineering definitions are released correctly, quantities are defined to avoid production errors, corporate part numbering standards are enforced, data is exported and shared across teams, manufacturing, procurement, and suppliers all work from the same up-to-date source of the truth. With Product Release Engineer, engineering productivity increases drastically. Errors and reworks are reduced in a larger scale. Data reuse is maximized. Collaboration across discipline accelerates in a different manner. Time to market is very much shortened. Cost and risks go down drastically. Engineers spend more time designing and innovating products in their own manner. PLM teams spend less time managing that chaos. And the business delivers products faster with confidence. Product Release Engineer doesn't just manage data, it turns engineering definition into a strategic advantage. So the next time a product needs to be reviewed, changed, or released according to the need, ask yourself, are we managing complexity or eliminating it? With Product Release Engineer, you can eliminate it.